Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube in laptop and PC. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Now let's open any web browser of our choice and then go over youtube.com. You first have to make sure that you are logged into your YouTube account. Once you log into YouTube, you want to click on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen, and this menu will appear with a couple of different options. In order to change our light theme to a darker one, all we have to do is to select this appearance button. We'll have three different options here. You can set this to the use device theme, and YouTube will change the theme automatically depending on your device. If your device has the dark mode enabled, YouTube will open in a dark mode. Also, but if you want to enable the dark mode permanently, just select this button. Now wait for the website to refresh. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.